Hi David, I thought I'd shoot a quick video just to show you what I think when you're asking for how to get extra window leads. So I'm here at your website and I take your URL and I'm going to put it into our little scanner tool here, which shows me, so you'll see it's right here, scanner tool shows me like your title tags and most importantly your H1 header. And I see, you're supposed to always have city plus your service here. And I see you have Southern California and your service, which is great. And I went ahead and did a little search for Southern California roofers and windows, and you actually come up pretty high on page 4. So I think you're doing great for SEO in that aspect. The trouble I see is that you really want more window leads, and when people are looking for windows, they're not going to Google Southern California windows. They're going to Google the city that they're in. So let's say they're in Huntington Beach. They're going to Google Huntington Beach vinyl windows. So they're not going to Google here. So I actually did a little test here with Huntington Beach vinyl windows, and you can see you're toggling between position like 11, 12. Whereas like the top ranking for organic right now is Ameriside. So they're, getting all the leads right now for the windows, and that's why. Because if you're going to go like let's go to a private browser here and Google Huntington Beach vinyl windows. So you'll see as we go down here that, Ameriside, they're number 1. So again, they're getting all the leads. I don't know if you know them or if they're your big competitors, but if you go down here, you'll see you're not at the bottom of page 1. You're actually going to be on page 2 for those keywords, right here, top of page 2. But again, people are going to call like the first, second, third company. They're not going to go to page 2. So that's where I see why you're not getting more window leads. But if you go to, let's go back here to check out Ameriside. So I did a little scan for them, the Huntington Beach page. You can see they're very clear telling Google, like, okay, we want to rank for vinyl windows in Huntington Beach. And their meta description is all about the windows and Huntington Beach. And again, their H1 tag is their city and their service, Huntington Beach vinyl windows. Very, very crystal clear to Google that that's what they want to rank for. So that's why they're ranking number 1. And when you go to your site for, actually, let's see here, for windows, which is right here for vinyl windows, you're trying to rank for Orange County, Anaheim, and Huntington Beach. So this is the issue right here. You're confusing Google. So basically, that's why you're on the bottom of page 1, top of page 2. If you fix that, have a page for each of those, location page for each of those, you're going to get a lot more leads. Like, for example, you'll see Ameriside, they have like their page for Anaheim. They have Windows Anaheim, again, Windows Anaheim. So they're very clear. So that's why they're getting all the leads. So hope this helps. I just want to shoot this to you, and hopefully once you fix that, you can start getting more leads. Thank you and have a great day.